Thanks for tuning back into Snake River Rifle Works. Today, I was digging through the packing list of our recent shipment from Rapid Air, and I was going through the 100-foot spools of air hose and air tubes, and I found a big heavy box, and I was like, what is this? And so I cracked it open, and much to my surprise, as I found all the missing fittings and those kinds of things. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I missed the first go around. So jumping in here, one thing that's always good is to compare your shipping list, your quantity ordered, to the quantity shipped, and see if there's any items on back order. And what's nice about Rapid Air, they detailed that, and I went through this list and verified. So we got our 3 unions. We have our 7, what would you call those bad boys? The elbows. We have our 8 T's. We have our 1 NBT to line, air hose line. We have our 3 inline, what do you call these bad boys? Hand valves. And then also, I watched another video. I forgot who it was to give credit. And they said that they ran into some issues where they were going to install some of the line and they tore some of the O-rings. So I went ahead and ordered 14 of those extra bad boys just to make sure I wouldn't run into any hiccups. And I also found the 1 extra of the 1/4 inch drop lines there. So there's the couplers. So all in all, I'm very happy that I found that extra pot of gold, and couldn't be more happier about it. And thanks for tuning in to this additional episode from Snake River Rifle Works.